5 ways to look put together instantly. Simple beauty secrets that make you look effortlessly polished every day. Hello, ladies. Welcome back to For Every Woman XO, where we talk beauty, healing, confidence, and becoming your most radiant self, inside and out. Today's video is simple but powerful. 5 easy ways to look more put together instantly. Not for anyone else but for you. Because even when life feels chaotic, you deserve to look like you still have a little piece in your pocket. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Keep your nails clean and neat. You don't need a full gel set every week. But you do need clean, healthy-looking nails. It's one of the most subconscious beauty signals people notice. And honestly, so do you. Trim your nails, file them into a soft shape, and use a buffing block or a coat of clear polish. If you love color, stick to neutrals, soft pinks, or earthy tones. These shades always whisper elegance. Moisturize your hands, especially around the cuticles. Dry, chipped nails can ruin an entire look, even if your outfit is on point. Soft hands are a quiet flex. Tip 2. Your hair is your halo. Your hair is literally your crown. And how it's styled or unstyled can shift your entire presence. You don't need a fresh salon install every time. But your hair should feel intentional, not an afterthought. A clean middle part, a neat puff, a silk wrap. Whatever your texture and style is, own it. And please, don't underestimate the power of scalp oil and silk scarves. The goal isn't perfect hair. The goal is cared for hair. And that energy is always noticeable. Tip 3. A signature scent. You don't have to be seen to be remembered. Sometimes it's your scent that speaks first. Find a fragrance that matches your energy. Something soft but lingering, or bold but balanced. Apply it behind your ears, at the base of your throat, and lightly over your clothes. Layering is queen. Use matching body lotion or body oil underneath for longer wear. And here's the secret. When you smell good, you feel good. It creates a kind of invisible confidence, even when no one's around. Tip 4. Simple jewelry makes the woman. Jewelry is like punctuation. It finishes your look. You don't need to overdo it. One pair of polished earrings, a dainty chain, or a thin bracelet is enough to say I pay attention to the details. Gold or silver. Choose what complements your skin tone. Even simple studs and a clean wrist can take a basic tee from tired to intentional. It's those subtle touches that make you look composed, even on a quick grocery run or a Zoom call. Tip 5. Freshen up your face. A fresh face doesn't always mean full glam, but it should look awake, hydrated, alive. Start with clean skin, moisturize always, and a dab of concealer if needed. Brush your brows upward. It instantly lifts the face. A little mascara, some lip balm or gloss, and a light blush will bring color back to your face without doing too much. If you have 60 seconds, do a cold roller across your skin. It depuffs, tightens, and wakes up tired eyes. You don't need to wear makeup, but you do need to look like you take care of your face. That's your introduction to the world. So here's the truth. Looking put together doesn't mean looking expensive. It means looking present. It's the details, the effort, the love you pour into your daily habits. Whether you're running errands or healing in solitude, you deserve to feel beautiful, whole, and seen. Which of these tips will you start doing today? Let me know in the comments. And if you love content that blends beauty with healing, self-worth, and real feminine energy, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with someone who needs it. Until next time, stay soft, stay beautiful, and stay you. XO.